Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Roblox with the latest working redeem. Codes for Murder Mystery 2, specifically for October 2025. Get ready to snag some awesome in-game items and boosts that will elevate your gameplay. We've scoured the web to bring you the most up-to-date codes, and we're even keeping an eye out for any special Halloween event surprises that might drop. These codes are your key to unlocking exclusive weapons, cool knives, and other fantastic goodies that will give you an edge in your MM2 adventures. So let's waste no more time and get right into these amazing codes you won't want to miss out on what's available to help you become the ultimate detective or evader. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope these codes bring you tons of fun. Don't forget to follow for more awesome Roblox content. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or guarantee the validity of all codes shared. Some codes may expire or be region-locked. Gifts are shared as personal giveaways and are not official Roblox promotions. Viewer discretion is advised.